Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing!
Tell him he has 3 laps to catch me.
Cruz says you got 3 laps to catch her.
Yeah, okay. Tell her thanks.
She's not a racer. She's a trainer.
Right in turn 2. Go low, go low.
Get ready, guys. Luigi!
Guido, tires, Fillmore, fuel.
Okay, I'm here. What's going on?
No, not me! Her!
Mr. McQueen?
Today's the day, Cruz. You're getting your shot.
What?
I started this race, and you're gonna finish.
You can't do that. Hey, did I ever tell you how much I love your mud flaps?
Out of my way,
I
Bumpkin.
got my fishing flaps, got my church flaps, I'm going out and eating flaps.
That'll work.
Why are you doing this? You said it yourself. This might be your last chance.
Which makes it my last chance to give you your first chance, Cruz.
Oh, hey, 35-mile-per-hour pit speed.
I knew that!
You're watching this, right?
What, the girl in the costume? You're kidding me. He put her in the race?
Okay, that was different.
Cruz, you're looking too tight now. Anticipate your turns. All right, Cruz, the beach. I need you to think of the beach.
Mr. McQueen?
Yeah, it's me. Remember the beach.
Oh, pick a line. Stick to it. Got it.
We're just learning that the racer replacing McQueen is Cruz Ramirez.
All right, watch that lap car. He's going to go high. Go low, go low. Nice job.
You are smoking these guys.
Oh, it's a little slick there. Watch it, watch it. You have hit a wall. You have hit a wall.
Ha ha!
That's it. Nice and straight.
Go, 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 go! Smokey, you watch. What are you doing, Storm?
Hey, costume girl!
You don't deserve to be here.
He's trying to get in your head.
They don't
You'll
need-
never be one of us.
You are a racer.
Use that.
And how far back is she now?
Look behind you.
What?
Good evening, Storm!
Wait, how did you...
Just back here drafting on your butt. Nothing to be concerned about. Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 207 miles per hour.
Stop that! You're taking me off my line! Oh, I don't think so. No!
Yes, I do! Way to go, Cruz! Yes! Woohoo!
We're flying.
Thanks.
You really had it rolling today.
That was cool.
Thank you.
Hey, Cruz, your blinker's on.
It is? Oh, you got me!
Go ahead. Give him some smoke.